All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So check. Just to check something. Check. To ensure something is the way it is meant to be. Is this right? Let me check the book. Yeah, this is correct. I will check the book for errors. I will check it is working. Just check that it is correct. Any errors? Let me check. No, looks fine. How cool is that? I checked the contents page, just made sure it was okay. I checked the book to see everything was there. It was. Very good. He checks it with me. He checks it with me. We will check the documents together. We'll check these documents together. Very good. Yeah. How cool is that? So, we could then say, I check, you check, they check. Yeah. I check everything before I leave. You check the pencil. Yeah, just the pencil here. Is everything okay? Everything fine? Yeah. They check all documents as you enter. They will check everything. Yeah. They will check you are following the rules. Yeah. Very important. Yeah. Very good. And so he checks, she checks, it checks. It checks. Yeah, very good. So he checks his bike. She checks her car. Yeah, just have a quick glance. Just still here, good condition, okay, everything very good. Nothing scratched and worse. So it checks the passport as you put it through the machine. Yeah. Put your passport here and the machine will check it for you. Yeah. How cool is that? It does all the checks by itself. Yeah. People are not needed. Not needed. Yeah, it does the checking for you. How cool is that? So I checked the rules. I checked the rules yesterday, and that's fine. I checked the documents earlier and everything made sense. Yeah, I checked the room and I have not forgotten anything. Yeah, I have everything. Nothing forgotten. Very good. They're checking something here. They're checking for something. They're checking the car. They're checking the car so that I have not taken anything. Makes sense. How cool is that? She's checking the papers before she submits them to the university. Yeah, the documents. How cool is that? And they will check the technology and what difference it can make. We need to check the software for issues before selling it. We need to do one last check, one investigation. We need to do one last check just to make sure. Just to make sure. Yeah, very important. How cool is that? Yeah. So I will check the rules. I will check the book to see if I can find the mistake. Quite important. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so check to ensure things are the way it is meant to be. This pencil, we gave it a check, it's good. This book, I checked it and it's fine. Very good. So check. Yeah. So can you use check in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.